B.Ed first semester Pedagogy of English, first unit, topic 4, Status of English language in the global and Indian contexts. Now, English is a global language and also a language of communication in global context. Status of English as a global language. Modern English, sometimes described as the first global lingua franca, is the dominant language or in some instances even the required international language of communications, science, information technology, business, aviation, entertainment, radio and diplomacy. It spread beyond the British Isles began with the growth of the British Empire, and by the late 19th century its reach was truly global. Following British colonization from the 16th to 19th centuries, it became the dominant language in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. The growing economic and cultural influence of the US and its status as a global superpower since World War II have significantly accelerated the language's spread across the planet. English replaced German as the dominant language of science of Nobel Prize laureates. During the second half of the 20th century, English equaled and may have suppressed French as the dominant language of the diplomacy during the last half of the 19th century. A working knowledge of English has become a requirement in a number of fields, occupations, and professions, such as engineering, pharmacy, medicine, and computing. As a consequence, over a billion people speak English at least to a basic level. It is one of six official languages of the United Nations. One impact of the growth of English is the reduction of native linguistic diversity in many parts of the world. Its influence continues to play an important role in language attrition. Conversely, the natural internal variety of English, along with Creoles and Pidgins, have the potential to produce new distinct languages from English over time. Status of English as a second language in India. The term English as a second language has been employed to describe English taught or learned for practical and necessary uses of communication, whether to serve as the language of instruction in education or as a lingua franca among those to whom English is an acquired tongue. In many countries, the place of English in education may be more important and necessary because it is means of expressing about the country where it has been adopted. English as a second language refers to a situation where English is used widely for purposes of administration and education and as a common link language. It is no longer used as a language of instruction in schools, colleges, and even a few universities teaching arts and commerce subjects in non metropolitan areas as they have changed over the regional media. English continues to be the language of instruction in the faculties of law, medicine, engineering, science, technology, agriculture, and the like. In many areas, English has become a second language, is used alongside one or more local languages for public purposes and often for communication between and or among different language groups in the community. India has a population of more than 120 crores and over 200 different languages. English is one of the official languages of India alongside Hindi and 14 other recognized regional languages. and is widely used as a language of administration and commerce. As an Indian learner learns English as second language, he will expected use it for communication with other Indians and will hear it used in the speech community. It is surprising to see that since our independence in 1947, Hindi did not replace English completely. The major factor is the growing feeling that English no longer belongs to the English alone, but to all those who speak it as their first or second language. As a mother tongue, it ranks second only to Chinese. On other hand, the 300 million native speakers of English are to be found in every continent, and an equally widely distributed body of second language speakers who use English for their day-to-day needs total over 250 millions. Rudolf Quick 1962 talks of the importance of English in Indian jobs. Knowledge of English is considered as a successful passport for the employment. An English speaking Indian is invariably preferred to a non English speaking Indian in almost all jobs in any government department. The present syllabus of English had been prepared in view of the recommendations of the NCF 2005, which says that students have to be geared up to face the challenges to the global world. Student lives at schools must be linked to their life outside the school. The NCF 2005 strongly recommended to shape the system of significantly in the direction of child-centered learning based on the guidelines of NCF 2005. APSCF 2011 was drafted and the next books are published accordingly. Thank you for watching.